Okay, I think we're live. That's better. Adjusting my headset. I'm using the. How come it stopped? Still recording? Thought everything froze up here. I'm using the video cam off the laptop here. I do have another camera, uh, one of those that you kind of hold and look through. A camcorder, and I'll see if I can get a zip wire and go from the camera to the computer. It'd be a little better quality than having to uh, use the recorder on this. So anyway, this first video, the reason I'm doing this is that I had 3 other videos that I'd done, but I could not upload them to YouTube. So I'm trying a direct connection to see whether this cam, doing it right off the computer is going to work or not, to where it can be uploaded. So I feel the unction of the Holy Spirit. I'm here. This is Joshua Taylor coming to you from here in outside of Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, on the east coast of Canada, not too far from Nova Scotia. I came here a few months ago uh, from Edmonton, Alberta, and the doors opened up to where I began to build a website called ProjectGoshen.com. And ProjectGoshen.com has to do with building, has to do with the relocation platform technology. And I was inspired to make the website. It took about a month learning the Corel Draw and other uploader programs. And I've been working on the site maybe for about 2 weeks actually, and got the first 2 pages done, almost done. And anyway, what inspired me was when I found out about the event that's going to happen in Puerto Rico, where there's a brother there back in 2010. His name is Ephraim Rodriguez, and he was shown by the Lord an asteroid. Why is this freezing up again? Stupid camera, you don't work at all. This camera is freezing up. Anyway, I'll just continue on. And anyway, he was shown by the Lord an asteroid impacting the west side of the west of Puerto Rico that generated a 12.0 earthquake that resulted in a 1,000-foot tidal wave that took out Southern California, and that also hit the east coast of the United States. And this thing stopped again. Not very good. This thing froze up again, so there's problems with this camcorder. Maybe I'm going too fast. Don't know what the problem is. Anyway, that inspired me to use the relocation platform technology to build disaster relief camps. And at the time, several months ago, I only had pictures from the most recent model that the Lord told me to make back in this past summer. He spoke to me that it was time to make a working scale prototype of the relocation platforms, which I did. It took 5 weeks, and I finished the project the first week of September, this past September. And all I had to show Ephraim Rodriguez and his people there in Puerto Rico was just the pictures. And so what I've been doing is getting this website built so I could actually develop the next phase of the project, and that would be to make a lightweight model of the relocation platforms that could be used to build Uh, you could build like a 24-foot platform and also a 32-foot platform. I call those H7, 432 square foot. That's a 24-foot diameter, and the H13, which is 768 square feet. That's a 32-foot diameter. The 24-foot diameter has 12-foot sides, and the 32 has 16-foot sides. So I have that all done, and I was able to configure these two models together into a camp formation, where a camp of that could accommodate 100 people could be actually set up on 1/3 of an acre, about 14,000 square feet. You would have a center building. Your center building would be a 32-foot diameter, and you would have three 32-foot buildings connected to the central hub at 120 degrees. Yeah, 120 degrees apart, so you would be in thirds. So each one of these would be uh, be their own individual sector, and to each one of these sectors you would have three more buildings using the 24-foot relocation platform model. Two would be dwelling, and one would be for bathroom restroom facilities. But all together, you could have a organized concept where you could, for the short term or for the long term, that you could house approximately 100 people on 1/3 of an acre. And but to make that work, I went from the basic construction of the relocation platform to using a lightweight model that incorporates only the top portion. It doesn't incorporate the insulated base. So I'm taking the top portion and compressing that to a 2x6 geometric under support, and that's what needs to be proven out. And if that can be proven out, then this concept can be multiplied 10,000 different ways across North America, where the churches could get involved and they could start turning out these platforms that could be set up most anywhere in camp formation. And so the next step would be actually to make a some kind of type of tent top to it, kind of a structure. And I know that the Lord has people already prepared to take this project to the next level. Anyway, I'm going to sign out here and get this out. I just want to see if this live recording is going to work. This is Joshua Taylor coming to you from Prince Edward Island here, and I believe my phone number and all that is up on the website. The website is projectgoshen.com, and I got the two first. It's a work in progress, but there's enough there to give you the lowdown on the vision that the Lord has put in my heart. Okay, I'm going to cancel or stop recording right now.